Those people who do not know Pioneer, Pioneer is basically like PayPal. If you guys have ever used PayPal, you guys can pay and get money from other people using PayPal. Pioneer is also the same thing. You can pay other people using Pioneer and receive money from other people from Pioneer as well. That's an option as well. So that's basically the short description of Pioneer. If you guys need to know more about it, you can visit their official website to know more about it. So let's get right into the video. But before you want to search for Pioneer, sign up. After you search for Pioneer, sign up, you want to click on where it says sign in to your Pioneer account. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Pioneer. Once you're over here, if you guys have an account, fill up the information, log in into your account. But if you do not have an account, you want to click on sign up over here. After you click on sign up, it's going to take you to the sign up page of Pioneer. Now over here, you want to enter why you want to create your account. If you are an individual, vacancy, retailer, choose the option which you want. So let's say I'm an individual. I'm going to click on individual. What am I looking for? I'm looking for an order, a prepaid card, or get paid by international client or marketplace. You can choose whichever option you want. I'm going to choose this. After this, you want to click on register. Once you click on register, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can register for Pioneer. Once you're over here, you want to fill up the form. So let me fill up the form real quick. After entering the information over here like this, you want to click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to another page. Over here, you want to enter the, information like your contact detail and everything over here, like your number and other stuff. After entering the number, it's going to send a verification code to your phone number. And after enter the verification code sent to your phone number, you want to click on next. After you click on next, it's going to take you to the security detail page where you guys can, enter the security detail. And after that, basically, it's going to ask you for other information. And after entering all the information it asks you properly and correctly, then basically you guys will be able to sign up for Pioneer. So that's basically how you guys can sign up for Pioneer. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.